Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you 2 ways to install uTorrent. Due to YouTube's rules, I can only show the first method here, and the second one is available in my Telegram channel. Check the link in the description. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to the official uTorrent website. The link is also in the description. It's the first one listed. Scroll down and click Free Download under uTorrent Classic. The installer will start downloading. Once it's done, open the file. If a pop-up appears asking for permission, click Yes. The uTorrent installer will launch. Click Next to begin. On the warning screen, click Next, then I agree to accept the license. You'll see some optional offers. It's best to click Decline. If you have any trouble with this part, you can find extra instructions in my Telegram channel. Look for the pinned message. Choose where you want shortcuts. For example, you can uncheck Quick Launch. Click Next. Leave the default file associations as they are and click Next again. That's it. uTorrent is now installed on your Windows. If this guide helped, give it a like, and don't forget to check my Telegram channel for the second installation method and more useful tools. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.